Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change the engine oil on your Honda Pilot. First, let's get ready. You will need about 5 to 6 quarts of 0W20 or 5W20 synthetic oil, a new oil filter, and a new crush washer. Make sure your engine is slightly warm, then carefully raise the front of your vehicle and secure it on jack stands for safety. Don't forget to loosen the oil fill cap to help the oil drain smoothly. Now let's get that old oil out. Position your drain pan directly under the oil pan. Using a 17mm wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Be ready, as the oil will start flowing out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. While it's draining, inspect your drain plug and remember to put a new crush washer on it before reinstallation to ensure a tight seal. With the old oil draining, find your oil filter, often accessible through the passenger side wheel well. Unscrew and remove the old filter, making sure its gasket isn't stuck to the engine. Take your new filter, apply a thin coat of fresh oil to its rubber gasket, and then hand tighten it onto the engine. Give it an extra 1/4 to 3/4 turn with your oil filter wrench for a secure fit. Once the new oil is in, carefully lower your vehicle. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, checking underneath for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. Turn off the engine, wait about 3 minutes for the oil to settle, then check the dipstick to confirm the oil level is correct. Finally, reset your maintenance reminder light by turning the ignition on, then pressing and holding the select/reset button for approximately 10 seconds until it resets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.